Hey everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCam YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Mi Smart Band 5, which is a fitness tracker wristband. I'll be focusing on how I pair my band to my Android mobile. Don't forget to check out my fitness playlist. It is a collection of all equipment and accessories. It is a must-watch for newbies. You can view these videos by clicking on the eye icon on the top right side corner. As this video progresses, there will be more such pop-ups. So check them out for more information. First thing to do before pairing is to charge the device. You can let it charge for about 30 minutes. That much battery should be sufficient to finish the pairing. While the band is charging, I go to the Play Store app on my mobile and download the Mi app called Mi Fit. If you're interested in the Mi brand, do save this playlist of mine. I'll be adding all my Mi related videos right here. After about 30 minutes of charging the band, I move on to the pairing. I start by turning on the Bluetooth in my mobile and selecting the Mi Band 5, which has popped up on my mobile screen. If you don't see the name pop up on your mobile, then keep the band closer to your mobile so that it can detect it. Make sure the band stays close to the mobile while the full pairing is completed. Please save this playlist of mine to see all the Mi Band 5 related videos that I'll post in the future. Next, I open the Mi Fit that I downloaded onto my mobile and I sign up here. Now I have to do a little bit of initial setup on my band, and that is it. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!